Now let me tell you what Beauty on Command Natural Facelift has done for me. One thing that was really, really, really keeping me back was this huge neck hanging down. Big, not double, triple, maybe quadruple chin. It was hanging here, it was hanging in the front, it was hanging in the middle here, just like, you've heard of turkey neck? This was a flock of turkeys. And I just thought there was no help. I know everybody looks at that ad on TV where they tell you they can come in and just do this behind your ears. And I kept thinking like, yeah, but what if you pull your hair behind your ears? Don't you see whatever that is? I never knew what it was. They don't tell you on TV. So we work on my neck a lot. And I work on my neck every day. And I just do like, little things like this. I also go back and forth, really tight. And I use my creams. I use my secret weapon. The second step, the peptides, that's my favorite. Do my under the chin area because I do it for a long time. And I do it while I'm watching TV. But you can see my jawline right here. There it is. No flabby neck under there or on this side. I have a little bit more work to do here, but it's on command. One of the big things is I told you I moved, and I wanted to start going to all the meetings at the clubs and join the little groups and everything. And that was pretty tough because I'm single, and a lot of the groups were couples. But then someone decided to start a singles group, and I got excited about that. Thought that would be a good way to make my way into the groupings and get known. And the more I got involved, the more I worked with Beauty on Command and the Natural Facelift, I got more and more confident to be seen, to be exposed to more people. I got more active. I met more people, and boy, that was my goal. And yeah, a lot of them were women in the beginning, but then men joined the group, and I got to meet the men too, and that was really great. Turned out that within the first, I'd say 6 months, I was running the events. And that was wonderful because it meant that I was right out there with all the people and standing up in front of the groups and talking to them and getting involved and mixing with them while the event was going on and being like the center of attention, which is not something that I was used to. And I was loving it. And I found that I wanted to do it more and more and more. And the second year, I just got involved, and I was one of the people who ran the group, ran the club. And I was involved every single month, and that was great. So that was one thing. And now I have a whole slew of friends up where I live, and it makes life there a lot more palatable.